Hi there, I am Shuib from Machines. So, waktu PKP ni saya nak kongsikan serba sedikit mengenai Safari. Nantikan. Safari is one of the great web browsing nowadays. iPhone user, iPad, Mac user, I think very familiar with this thing. So today, instead of use it for browsing, I want to share you more that you can also do picture in picture, hands off, and also customize start page. Right? Picture in picture allows us to enjoy watching any videos while browsing. Macam mana? Let me show you how it works. First, open Safari. Open YouTube. Choose any videos that you want to watch. On the screen, click twice with your secondary click. You can see picture-in-picture options and click on it. And now, you can continue, browse, or use your Mac and at the same time enjoy the videos.
Girl, I tried to hate you more and more. Baby, since you walked right out the door.
Hands off, it allows us to sync from one device to another device with the same Apple ID. Katalah kita browsing guna phone dekat luar. Bila sampai rumah nak sambung browsing. Hands off makes it possible. When your Mac, iOS or iPadOS devices are near each other, they can automatically pass what you are doing from one device to another. An icon representing the last app you were using will appear on your second device, in the dock on your Mac or iPad, or in the app switcher on your iPhone. Just click or tap to pick up exactly where you left off without having to search for the file. Customize your start page of Safari. Personalize your start page so that each time you open a new Safari window or tab, you will see the view that works best for you. To customize your start page, click the customization icon. You can click on favorite, frequently visited, privacy report, series suggestions, reading lists, iCloud tabs, or background image. For the background image, you can also choose any template that been given or use your own photos. If you think you need one-to-one guidance, Machines offer one-to-one sessions with Machines expert. And if you guys have any questions regarding Apple products or machines related, you guys can just refer at our website www.machines.com.my. That's all from me. See you again. Goodbye.